tell me what you got here on number 5.
X is less than 2 or X is greater than or equal to 3.
Nice job. Anybody have a question on that? Everybody get that? We're okay? Okay. All right, so now let's put all that together and let's actually start solving and graphing, okay? Now, the great part about this one is that P less than 2 is already done for us. We don't have to do any work there, okay? So now, Emma, start us off. How are we going to solve that first inequality?
Subtract the 1 to both sides.
Good, subtract the 1. So I have negative 3P less than or equal to negative 12. Okay, James, what do we do next?
Then we divide by -3 and flip the sign.
Very good. Divide by negative 3. The inequality symbol has to go the other way, and we get 4. Okay. All right, so now let's go down and look at our graph. So if I'm looking at 4, we have a closed heading out this way. And at 2, I've got an open circle heading out this way. Now, does that look like the typical OR we just talked about? Yeah, sure does. So now just write your 2 answers. I'll highlight them both here in green. Just write your 2 answers down with an OR in between. It does not matter which one goes first or second. We don't care, okay? So if you have P greater than or equal to 4 or P less than 2, that's fine, okay? Now, if you, sorry guys. If you want to write it the other way and say P is less than 2 or P is greater than or equal to 4, I do not care. You'll get credit for both of those. Those are both the same thing. Okay? So just as long as you got both parts wrote down with the or in between, you got it right. Okay? All right. Does anybody have a question on number 6? Okay. Number 7. Emmanuel, start us off on number 7. How would we solve this first guy right here?
-2.
Good. Subtract the 2 off.
2. Oh. Sorry. Yeah.
Okay. Then what would you do?
Divide by 3.
Good. Divide everything by 3.
And then, yeah, 1.
Good. You get 1. Very good. Okay. All right. Now let's do the second inequality. Okay. Malcolm, start us off. What do you want to do first here on the second inequality?
Subtract by 3.
Okay. So he's subtracting the 3a off. Okay. So we have 7 less than negative 1a plus 6. Okay. Good. Subtract the 6. So 1 is less than negative 1a. Good. Good. So it becomes negative 1 is greater than a. Now what do we have to do before we graph it though? Yeah, we got to rewrite. Okay, so a less than negative 1. That's us rewriting. So those are my 2 answers that I'm going to have here. Okay. All right. So now I've got negative 1. Oh, negative 1 open heading out. 1 closed heading out. So that's looking like a pretty good OR statement. Okay. So now just take your 2 answers and stick the word OR in between. So a greater than or equal to 1 or a less than negative 1. Again, it doesn't matter what order you put those in, just as long as you got both parts down. Okay. All right. Does anybody have any question on number 7? All right, flip over, try number 8 on your own. Number 8 on your own.